A wise man once said, good cars get you from point A to point B. Great cars, well, they just get you into trouble.
I don't know if you guys should buy Pro EFI for your cars because, boy, they are too fast. About killed myself right here.
When the hand drops.
Oh! Norm down. We are going to head out to Choke and race some guys and see if we can rile up any other races. Here we go. We got a Hanson Performance Pro R with a turbo kit on it, and then we got this Mav R with Bikeman tune, and here we go. Oh, they're getting close. Hanson Turbo Pro R1. All right, we got two stalkers in the middle. Turbo Pro R with Hanson, and then Bikeman Mav R. Dude, that Hanson Turbo Pro R and the Bikeman Mav R are pretty dang close. Those are close cars. Oh, Jared's coming in hot. Jake from State Farm. Go! The only difference between these two. The only difference between those Can-Ams was the fronts had scoops on the guy that won, both times. Both of them, Mav Rs have Bikeman tunes. Cloud was asleep. Very similar cars. Car on the left just got Pro EFI done to it. Norman Boondockers. Oh dang! Rocket ship on the left. That was Pro EFI against Boondockers. Huh? That was Boondockers and Pro EFI.
He gone. So long, good boy.
All right, round two. Norm with Boondockers, and then we just got this Tune Pro R. Norm was asleep on the hole there. Norm was asleep, but the other car still had him pretty good. But Norm was asleep. Norm was sleeping.
No. He's pushing the throttle, but it ain't going. He ain't got no clutch. He clutch too big.
When I was saying we had that Pro EFI kit against Norm with his Boondocker kit, they're actually both Boondocker turbo kits. Same wheels, it's just the difference is the ECU. You got the stock ECU, right? And then he's got Pro EFI ECU. And you guys probably couldn't hear that because of this guy. So we got this all, we got the Pro EFI car out here. We are gonna run against Jared. Jared has done an awesome build to his car. We're just gonna see how they run. He's got a lot done to the motor, that's for sure. He's got cams, board, and stroked. So I'm not thinking I'm gonna win by any means, and I shouldn't. But if we can be somewhat competitive with them, then that means like pretty much lights out at any other car. Jared's done. He left a streak. He crapped his pants after he almost smoked the car down, and then he just left a streak of antifreeze.
What happened, Jared?
I blew a hose.
That's it?
No, I got stuff to fix it here, and I got water, so. I brought a win's a win, right? What's that? A win's a win. Oh yeah, but still, stupid car, anyways.
Hey, that's made from China.
We're good after these four-wheelers. Okay.
She is glowing from pulling Jared's Pro R. He had a coolant line go out on him and power, so we just pulled her in. We had a great time out here at St. Anthony Sandwich. It is awesome when people come up and let us know that they watch the channel. Love to meet you all. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. We had a great time racing a ton of different cars this week. There's only one thing. Let me know in the comments. I had a lot of people ask, will you turn your boost down or will you get rid of your two-step to make it more of a fair fight? I did it for a few people and then regretted it as other people would be like, oh, you didn't beat them by very much or this or that. So I'm kind of just at this point, run what you brung. If you got it, full built car. If you don't, whatever it is, I just like to see what my car can do versus that car or this car. I mean, I ran against cars much more built than my car just to see. I like to see the difference. That's kind of how this channel's always been based. I like to see one car from the next. But tell me in the comments, what do you think? Do you just run what you brung or do you cut half your foot off to make it more of a fair race?
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Did you at least get on GoPro?
Oh, I did. Dude, I was going to check on you.
I know, I got wet.
A wise man once said, good cars get you from point A to point B. Great cars, well, they just get you into trouble.
I don't know if you guys should buy Pro EFI for your cars because, boy, they are too fast. About killed myself right here. If you'd like to save yourself a couple bucks and make your car a lot faster, go to Pro EFI on their website. 15% off if you type in Desert SXS. So go there. Also, if you'd like a discount on Packard wheels or MTS Offroad suspension parts, we have them on our own website. Save yourself a couple bucks. If you'd like to check out our website, go in the description below, click on more, and then to our Shopify website, and then that's where you can get MTS suspension, merch. Also, if you'd like to donate on our Patreon, you're welcome to do that. We really appreciate it. We like to keep these videos coming. Give us some love and give us some support. Thanks for subscribing. If you'd like to support the people that support us, RPM has been very supportive of us, and we really appreciate that. Support RPM. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching.